Scott is making costumes for a dance recital. He has 12 yards of purple fabric. Each costume uses 3/4 yards of purple fabric. How many costumes can Scott make? So I'm looking at the problem. It says he has 12 yards of purple fabric. Each costume uses 3/4 yards of purple fabric. How many costumes can Scott make? So we're always annotating the problem. Now, once again, you could argue that for this problem, you see the word each, and therefore you could P here and make a ratio table. However, I'm going to solve this problem noticing that both the 12 and the 3/4 have the same unit. Go ahead and call out what that unit is. If you said yards, you'd be correct. Which means that whenever you have the same unit, what strategy should you be using to solve the problem? Go ahead and call it out if you remember. If you said number line, you'd be correct. Go ahead and write this down on your paper now. Okay, so we have 12 and 3/4. We need to make these speak the same language before we make our number line, which means that we need to put this over 1, which is a major blunder that we saw a few people make. Now that this is over 1 and this is over 4, we can make both of these speak fourths. What would you multiply to get from 1 to 4? Times 4 is correct. Go ahead and call out what 12 times 4 is. If you said 48, you would be correct. Which does mean we have to count from 3/4 all the way to 48/4. 3/4, 6/4, 9/4. Go ahead and pause the tape now and try to solve this problem, going all the way to 48/4. Okay, if you're back, you should have rolled this all the way out to 48/4. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48. This was extremely long. And if you counted the jumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 jumps would get you to 48/4. Now, I'm not going to do all of this work right now. You can pause it and fill in all this if you haven't done that yet already, but we expect to see all of this work every single time there are the same units. In this case, there were 16 jumps, which means that you could make 16 costumes.